What are text properties? Well, text properties represent CSS properties that we can use to change the look of text in our web pages. So, for example, with text properties we can set color of the text, text align, text decoration, text transform, text indent, letter spacing, word spacing, line height, direction, and text shadow. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.